my name is Sir Bassflow and this is my last video of 2019. Let's go. So in the next video I will wrap up the year 2019 because I don't have time to do it now. But I wanted to show you how my Christmas holiday has gone, so here you go. I think I just stepped on a dog poop. Oh no. It's time to check whether these shoes are actually waterproof. I hope so, because I really want to get these shoes clean now. Okay, let's go. So far so good. Well, what do you know, they actually are waterproof. So, how has my holiday been? Well, it's been okay. Really hectic. Way more hectic than I expected, unfortunately. And not as relaxing as I hoped, but it's been good overall. So before my Christmas holiday, Jerina's mom went to travel for a couple of weeks and we promised to take care of her cat. Well, turns out the cat was sick and we had to take it to a vet, and now he needs medicine and feeding twice a day. So basically we are pretty much attached to the cat for the whole holiday. So we can't go anywhere overnight or anything. So that's a bit of a bummer, but at least the cat is doing much better now. In the beginning, like on Christmas Day, he was in really bad shape, but he has recovered quite a bit. So he's getting better, don't worry. And speaking of Christmas, we spent the Christmas Eve at my parents' place and it was really nice. After that, we've just been home and trying to relax, and we also had a Christmas dinner at home. And by the way, the best thing about taking care of the cat has been that the cat is staying at Jerina's sister, who has 4 kittens. So we've been able to get kitten therapy every day, and that's awesome. They are so adorable and we want to adopt one, but we already have 2 cats. But kittens! Oh, and on Christmas Day, 25th of December, I got a parking ticket. What a lovely Christmas present from the parking inspector. Thank you so much. I definitely wanted to pay 60 euros. My fault, I know, but it's annoying. Anyway, I made a little B-roll of our Christmas days, so here you go. Best life here.
Honestly.
So, that was our Christmas, and it was a really lovely one. Thank you to all who attended. How have your holidays been so far? Did you have a holiday? And if you do celebrate Christmas, did you get any presents? Let me know in the comments what you got. And in case you want to see what I got, here you go. So, the most notable gifts or presents I got on Christmas were this gift card to a camera shop, Bloodborne board game or card game. I'm so looking forward to playing this because I still haven't tried it. I got a really cool camera strap from Yerina and all kinds of miscellaneous stuff like coffee, chocolate, and so on. Overall, a good haul. But now, since Christmas holidays are over, it's time to look towards the bright future. Wait, I always forget which way that is. New Year is coming in a couple of days. The next decade will start. And unlike Christmas, which is a family holiday here in Finland, we spend New Year with our friends. And our friend is coming to our apartment and we're gonna enjoy and have some good time, play some video games and yeah, just hang out. So, as I said, I will make a wrap-up video of 2019, but I'm gonna publish it next year, next decade, because I'm probably not gonna have enough time to do it now. So, I hope you enjoyed this little video of mine, and if you did, please give it a little thumbs up to let me know you're liking this kind of stuff. Oh, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and you enjoy my content. And thank you so much for this whole year. It's been quite a ride, especially YouTube-wise for me. So thank you all who have joined this little party. And let's keep the party going next year as well. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video, next year, next decade. Bastflow out. And Happy New Year!